Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and some of my chores involve loads that are too heavy for me to handle on my own. That's why I am so glad to have this DreamQuest folding cart. This cart has these really awesome, wide, sturdy wheels, and this makes it really stable, and it can go through long grass and any kind of rough terrain with so much ease. I find it to be very easy to maneuver. The metal framing of it is composed in such a way that it makes it very, very sturdy, while at the same time not making it too heavy for me to pull around. I absolutely love how it folds up really compactly. This is great for us because we don't have a lot of storage space, and it's also excellent for if we want to throw it in our SUV and take it with us. We live within walking distance of our post office, but most times I do end up taking my car over there because I usually am expecting a fair amount of parcels. Now I can stroll over there with my handy little cart and bring all of my packages home that way. Our neighbor also gave us permission to cut down any dead trees or branches on a piece of land that they have, and I used to have to make several trips there to get enough wood for our fire pit. Now I only have to make a single trip thanks to this cart. There are lots and lots of abandoned wood on the beach in front of our house, and we also like to use this in our fire pit or for any projects that we have on the go. Gathering it up and bringing it home has never been easier. My name is Megan, and this is my new favorite wagon. And that's my point of view.